Let's take a look at some of the Acol bidding activities available on the No Fear Bridge demonstration page. If you enjoy these activities, take out membership and you'll find hundreds and hundreds and hundreds more activities for all levels. Let's take a look at some of the activities in the Bridge bidding practice section. Beginner Openers Rebids. I'm not a bridge teacher. That's what Lee Harding does at No Fear Bridge. I'm an affiliate and I'm here to show you what you can expect if you join No Fear Bridge. I'm going to choose a bid, but I'm not going to explain to you why I'm making the choices that I am. Maybe pause the video and decide for yourself which bid you would choose. What would you bid here? South opened with 1 heart. North responded with 2 diamonds. South has 18 points. The correct answer reminds us that we have enough to bid game. 3 no trumps is best, with a balanced hand. In this game, South opened with 1 diamond. North responded with 1 heart. South has 16 points. What would you bid? The annotation reminds us that 1 no trump is the correct bid, so that we can show a balanced hand with 15 to 16 points.